Hello guys, thank you for watching another BS Games. Today we are playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf. Yes, medyo lately nag-Avalon kami, nag-cheese thief kami, pero now we're back with a basic set of rules kasi we have new players. For tonight, we have Noob Ambassador, Kill Uncle, JD, Ice Princess, and two new players playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf with the BS Games group. Excuse me. We have Low IQ Kobe, and we have MD. Alright, and this next game is already nasa skill. So, One Night Ultimate Werewolf, basic roles muna tayo. We have for the game, 2 werewolves, a minion, a seer, 2 masons, a robber, a troublemaker, and a tanner. So, 6 players, 9 roles. Nagbigay na ako ng roles to everyone. We're gonna start the game. Guys, mute your mics, go to sleep.
You go to sleep.
Next, let me wake up the seer. Seer, wake up. Okay, seer, you have the ability to either know the role of a specific player as of right now, or pick 2 of the 3 cards with me. Sasabihin ko 2 cards that no one owns. So give me either the number of a specific player or 2 of the 3 cards akin. And I'll give you which roles are not being owned right now. All right, go back to sleep. Seer. Now wake up the robber. Robber, wake up. Okay, pick a player. I'll switch your card with that person, and you would know your new role. Okay, you're choosing to rob that person. Okay, ito na ang bago mong role. And the other person that you selected becomes the robber. Go back to sleep. Former robber. All right, everyone, wake up. Everyone, wake up.
Wake up.
Okay, so, since marunong naman maglaro, yun pa talaga si Low IQ. So, since marunong naman kayo ng One Night Ultimate Werewolf, this is not your first games, I'll make it a short game muna. Tapos kanina pa naging tayo sa skill. I'll make it a 6-minute game. So again, reminder lang, refresher lang, the roles that you started with might not be the roles that you have as of this moment. You are looking for the werewolves. I'm talking to the village. You're looking for the werewolves, and you do not want to vote out the tanner. You guys have 6 minutes starting now. Go.
As Sandman may have forgotten to mention, it's also possible na walang werewolves.
It's possible, yeah. Both werewolf cards may be in the middle.
Just saying.
That's something that someone who's not
Playing the game, statistically. All right.
The robber.
Let's vote JD.
Okay, JD, number 7.
Hi, JD. Bye-bye.
Sinong pinagpalit mo, JD?
Sino?
Ako.
Accusation again.
Mason ako pero yung kasama ko nasa gitna.
Is this true, Kill Uncle?
That's not true.
Wait, you're amazed. Sabi ni JD Mason siya, and you're saying wala kang kasama? Very plausible. But,
Convenient thing to say.
I suspect everything.
Why, Kill Uncle? Because you checked who?
Who, me? Well, why do you ask me that question?
Because. Okay. I'm really curious about who the troublemaker is. Does anyone want to come out and say they're the troublemaker?
So knowing this, it's Low IQ, Ice Princess, and M Damien. Or probably 1 or 2 werewolves. There you go. Therefore, playing the odds, I will nominate M Damien.
Wow. That is so random. No, let them speak first.
Prove me otherwise.
What's your role?
I am actually teammates with Kill Uncle.
Unfortunately.
I can confirm.
I kind of know who Noob Ambassador is. I know JD is telling the truth. by knowing this, it narrows down the field to the three of you. Statistically, it's 33 or 2/3. And by that, I will choose M. Damon.
Uh-oh.
Unless there's a troublemaker that speaks up. Now!
Your uncle with kill the newbie move again. Sige, go ahead.
Yes. Who said
Gusto
that?
mo lang, yeah, the god in the game.
That's all right.
Naisip din
Alaman
tuloy
kung
ako sa
sino yung
statistics.
troublemaker.
Huh? Because we
Because
We
he
need
has
to
the
hear
power
from the
to annihilate
troublemaker.
statistics. Mm.
now's a
After
good
all
time.
that.
Now's a good time. Who did you exchange?
Sige.
Troublemaker?
Let's see. I'm trying to do this in my brain, and being low IQ Kobe, it's not working. But anyways, I am the troublemaker.
So you
Yeah.
say.
Okay. And what did he
I'm the
do?
troublemaker.
How can you prove you're a troublemaker?
Okay.
Tsaka Minion
If
nag-aaway.
ever Ice Princess is a wait, sino nag-amin? May nag-amin ba na robber?
Ako troublemaker.
Okay, I know who to nominate.
I need a paper. Hang on.
Kill Uncle,
Wala
there's a
akong
Tanner.
pen.
Just saying.
So who did you exchange low IQ? I'll look it up for you. No paper needed.
I'm trying to think if I'm being screwed over.
No. If you're the real troublemaker, who
2
did
minutes
you?
left. 2 minutes left.
Yeah, you're the only one who has the power to screw someone over.
So if you're the real troublemaker, who did you
I mean,
exchange?
well, rubber.
That's all. That's all we need.
You know, I'm gonna actually tell the truth. I picked 9 and 4.
Well then,
Oh.
Noob Ambassador, you have my vote.
90 seconds.
Ice Princess, who are you?
Hindi mo ko
Are you sure?
tinanong. I exchanged 6 and 7.
It's okay.
Ah.
Noob Ambassador is still.
As the troublemaker, I no, I'm kidding. Mm.
Okay. I know na.
No, wait. You never know. Like M. Danian might be the
The Tanner.
no the what do you
1
call this?
minute
The
left.
minion. The minion.
I guess I
In
can-
the post-mortem after this, we will understand why Noob Ambassador is now the werewolf.
I actually think so too.
I
So you are the seer. Parang ganon.
He
Well,
is.
I probably am the seer, but I figured it out regardless.
I
Because
think you're
I am-
pretending, Kill Uncle. You're pretending. You just want attention.
This
No,
face.
Kasi ikaw yung tao.
Okay, guys. I
Alam ko na.
checked the middle cards kasi one is the Mason. I'm the Seer. One is the Mason. JD checks.
Therefore, by saying that, I will nominate Noob Ambassador as the
Yeah, sure. Go
as
ahead.
the lying.
So we
seer.
actually might still be
So no
teammates,
more
but we're just-
killing
We might have
newbies na.
believed Loki. Hello, Ike Kobe.
Well, if the truth was told, everyone's just telling the truth except Ice Princess. And
M. Danian didn't say anything.
I'm so confused.
Say
something,
Okay,
I'm so confused.
wala ka nang pwedeng sabihin. No more discussions. Ubus na yung time. Remember, guys, I'm talking to the village. Kung sino man sa inyo yung villagers right now, you're voting for the werewolves, not the minion, not the Tanner. You want to vote out for the werewolf or werewolves. And reminder lang, if you feel that you're the Tanner, you cannot vote for yourself. You have to vote for someone else. And lastly, if you feel that both werewolf cards are with me, vote 0. Dapat wala maka 2 votes. Kung may maka 2 votes, yun na yung magiging majority. Anyway, I'm gonna count you guys down from 3. And again, using your fingers, vote who you think is a werewolf. Counting down 3, 2, 1. Vote. Hold it up. Vote. Hold it up. I see a 6, a 4, a 4. Dalawang 4 tsaka dalawang 6. Those are the majority. 4 and 6. Noob Ambassador and
Away kayo ng away dalawa, tapos kayo din yung
once more for the third straight game. Nagbago na kami ng game. Once more, Kill Uncle got voted out. Kill Uncle started out the game as the seer.
It's a good person.
And he checked actually cards 1 and 3. Card 1 was the Mason. And yes, JD was the other Mason. Card 3 was the Tanner. So walang Tanner. Card 2 is a minion. So wala namang minion sa game. We started out the game with Ice Princess as the werewolf, along with M. Damien. Silang dalawa ang werewolves when we started the game. However, pinagpalit ni Lo Akikobi ang roles ni M. Damien and Noob Ambassador. So Noob Ambassador became a werewolf sa huli, and he too got the most votes. So basically, natapos yung game, Ice Princess and Noob Ambassador are the werewolves. And you guys voted out for...
Hindi mo ginalingan? Ano ba yan?
The Villagers won. Kill Uncle won. Actually, Kill Uncle naging robber ka kasi Noob Ambassador robbed your role before. Pero you won as the robber. JD, you won as the Mason. Lo Akikobi, you won as the troublemaker. And M. Damien, you started out as a werewolf. Pero since pinagpalit kayo ni Lo Akikobi, you ended up with the seer role.
No
and guess what? You won too. So good job.
No need to talk.
The Ambassador and Ice Princess were the werewolves. Good job, good job. You guys kept voting Kill Uncle. I mean, it's good. I like it. It's fun. Pero
Nice.
why?
Ice Princess,
What's
di mo
Crowd's
ginalingan.
favorite?
Don't encourage them, Sandra.
Ginalingan ko sinabi ko.
As the senior werewolf, the senpai
Wow.
werewolf, it is your responsibility to take care of the new werewolf.
Hindi ko alam.
So this is actually the
I was
postmortem.
protecting M. Damien. I was protecting.
Nung sinabi ni Ice Princess, nung sinabi ni Lo Akikobi na pinagpalit niya yung 4 and 9, hindi ba na-realize siya si Noob Ambassador na pala yung kakampi ko?
Inisip ko na ano siya, minion siya.
Pwede. Tama. Baka minion nga naman si Lo Akikobi. Pwede. Good job. Ano. Good read. That's logical. Anyway, sige. Let me wrap this game up muna kasi kanina pa nag-iintay si Skido. Team Werewolf. May isa, pwedeng dalawa. Team Werewolf, wake up. Okay? Kung dalawa kayo, magkakilala na kayo ngayon. Kung isa ka lang, pick a card, 1, 2, or 3. I'll send you privately a card that no one owns. Wala namang wedge, wala namang copycat. For sure, walang gagamit yan. Again, kung dalawa kayo, I'm just killing time. Pero kung isa ka lang, give me a number 1, 2, or 3, and I'll send you a private message. Alright, that's long enough. Team Werewolf, back. Okay. Robert, troublemaker, wake up. Troublemaker. Okay. Pick 2 people. I'll switch their roles. Hindi mo malalaman yung roles nila, pero at least alam mo na pinagpalit natin yung roles nila. You're choosing this one and this one. Tama? Okay, noted. Go back to sleep. Troublemaker, I'll take note of your instructions. Good job, guys. The village won. You were able to catch 1 of the 2 werewolves in Noob Ambassador. Noob Ambassador started out as the robber, naging seer, at the end, naging werewolf siya. And he got voted out. Number 4 got the mission. So good job. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, click on the like button. Hit subscribe, kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, and the notification button para update kayo every time you upload these types of games. And if you'd like to join our games, like the new players that we have right now, and Skido, that's how Skido joined us before. You just send lang kayo na message. We'll definitely invite you next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.